Good morning, friends. I am Vishal doing my MS in IIT Madras in manufacturing technology. Okay, the first thing which I want to tell regarding GATE is the serious preparation what you did or what you are going to do is much more important, but not much more important than the smart work which you are going to take up. The smart work also plays a major role in everything. Like if you go for placements, there's some smart work place, or for any daily presence of mind is much more important ahead of the serious preparation. Okay, so let me take me as an example for that. So I am a person of doing careless mistakes all times. Okay, for example, it's my real life situation. In plus 2, due to my careless mistakes, I did 6 into 6, I had given as 32. So this is the careless mistake example which I did during my plus 2 exams. So I had a lot of cutoff marks reduced due to it. So I got PSC College of Technology in Coimbatore. My hometown was Chennai. Obviously, everyone wants to study in their hometown. Okay, so this is the careless mistake which I did. And this I didn't correct, even still I wrote my GATE exam. It continued at my GATE exam too. So I had reduced somewhat rank than what I expected. So this careless mistakes is what every people does, and it's a human nature. Obviously we are humans. So you don't think that careless mistake, this time I did, next time I will not do, but it will repeat. So first try to reduce those hectic careless mistakes which turned hectic into my life. So first avoid those careless mistakes and work out problems so that you can achieve it in a targeted period of time. So time is another constraint factor which all exams do. So that's what the GATE exam also does. So this time factor is another much more important. So I am doing my MS, and because what rank I expected I did get, I somewhat shifted in my level. I was aiming to get MTech in IITs, and now I am doing my MS in IIT Madras. So applying for IITs, even if you get a rank which you didn't expect, apply for the IITs and NITs, what my friend told. The spot round is also one of the options to get. So for MS, they will conduct an interview after this GATE marks. So you need to apply, and after you apply it, they conduct an interview. I had an interview about 45 to 1 hour in a hectic room. Obviously it's hectic, about 1 hour with 5 panel members there. So that was the greatest experience in my life of attending an interview for 1 hour, fully of technical. So that I didn't even face it in my placement options also. So that was a great experience of doing my interview there. So these GATE preparations not only help you to achieve in GATE, but also in interviews, as my friend told, and also in MS interviews what they are going to conduct. Even for MTech also there will be some written examination in certain IITs, and there will be interview in certain IITs, group discussions, there also it will be in IITs to get admitted into it. So concentrate much more on the basic concepts which will be tested mostly in the interviews, and the mathematical relations what we are going to read. So mathematics is after all very big what we think. So mathematics, you just need to practice it day by day, and usually it comes from your childhood days. So if you do your mathematics from your childhood days, great. So it will also be helping now. So engineering is basically related to mathematical relations of all things. Even if you go for any department like mechanical, electrical, or civil or anything, the mathematical relations plays a final part. So without mathematics, so that's the thing you should improve a lot for the GATE examinations too. And one more thing is that I want to specify here is the GATE examination, as I told before, the time constraint. So I was a little bit restless during my GATE examination, so please do avoid those. So allocate some time to each section and revise those chapters again and again so that you make confident yourself in those chapters. So without confidence, if you attend those questions, you think it will be right. While working out, you think it will be right. But at the final stage, when you do get the answers while you're practicing, there are some minor mistakes which you had done, which you will not recognize it during your working out. So please recognize those working outs in your mind, and also please check it up once again while you enter before the final answer is given. So that's the main thing of working in out. So do your best and prepare it well confidently. Thank you.